Alright, I'm going to go over a brief overview of the actual Collections Max, the collector's screen. Here we have the file number, the name, the address, primary phone number, birth date, employer, work phone number, cell number, spouse number, the email address. You can click on that and you can actually email directly from Collection Max. The client, the last day it was worked, how many days it's been, the social security number, what type of debt it is, the original creditor, the account number, original balance, last balance or pay amount, last pay date, pay to date, the current balance. Here's the phone log, so that's any phone numbers in in the system that are in the log. You got the co-debtor information, as well as the bankruptcy information, deceased info. If there's an attorney on file, you can put all their information in here. Make a good number. You can put that in there. It means that basically the numbers in here are good. Here's where you can take a payment. It'll give you an option of a credit card or no credit card. To fill out an address, it looks like we haven't set the credit. Basically, it's locked out because we've set the credentials that that field cannot be changed by a collector. It can only be done by a supervisor, but all that are able to be adjusted by you, so that you can control what can be changed and what cannot. You got your payment information, your skip information, so you can attach accounts or attach files and recordings and that sort of stuff. You can do that with the correspondence also. The address log, if you go to correspondence, I can show you that. You can add correspondence, you can make a description of what came in, as well as the link to the file so that it's available to your collectors at all times. Employer's information, the address log, as well as how to change. You can change the status to the different statuses, and you can, in the administration side, you can add as many statuses as you wish, as well as to notate the log. You even have a fast select key, so you can go through and just click ones that you tend to normally have pop up to you every day. Then you also have you can click what date you want to work this next. As well as select your work date, click to work date schedule, and the new feature that just came with this is this will pop up if you put something in here. So say you have the debtor's department or extension or what they do, or some particular message you want everybody to know when the account pops up, that will pop up every time. Then you also have your custom fields, and in here you can put fields like if it's a payday loan, you can put the bank routing number and account number and other information that we don't have a field for in the front screen, references, that sort of thing, so that you can have that information available to the collectors without having, overwhelmed front screen. Basically, this is just a web browser that that you'll browse, through websites in. But it has its own feature, which is a Google search tools, as well as a PIPL search tool. You can search the web for particular debtors or whatnot. Let's see if I can get this to work here. Basically what happens is it puts the information in from the front screen, name and last name and state or whatnot, and then does a Google search for it. So one click of the button and anything about Tom Smith has popped up here. Now you can go up here, and this is where you would search for the last name, social security number, phone number, or any other particular account number or anything like that. And then in here, this is where you'll put your callbacks that you can schedule. Promises, I don't have any promises on file. Your work by, so you can go in there and pick which categories you want to work. This is your index. You can work by your good numbers, so at the end of the month you want to go back through all the numbers that are good, go in there and call those. You got your new business and your skips, and you can pull those up by that. So that's just the brief overview of Collection Max. It's downloadable free at our website, collectionsmax.tmaxdialer.com, and you can download it right there. Get started today.